How does an oil sump work? The oil sump, often referred to as the oil pan, is a crucial component in a vehicle's lubrication system, responsible for collecting, storing, and managing engine oil. It is typically located at the bottom of the engine block, serving as a reservoir where oil drained from various engine parts gathers. Made from steel or aluminum, the sump is designed to withstand the engine's harsh conditions while ensuring the oil remains readily available for recirculation. When the engine is running, oil is pumped from the sump to critical engine components such as the crankshaft, pistons, camshafts, and valves. The oil flows through passages to lubricate and cool these moving parts, reducing friction and preventing excessive heat buildup. After completing its journey, the oil returns to the sump via gravity, where it cools and settles, ready for recirculation. This continuous cycle ensures efficient engine operation. The sump also plays a vital role in maintaining oil cleanliness. It includes a drain plug at its base, allowing for oil changes and the removal of accumulated debris or contaminants. Some oil sumps are equipped with a magnetic drain plug to capture metallic particles, enhancing the longevity of engine components. Additionally, a baffle system inside the sump helps prevent oil from sloshing during vehicle motion, ensuring a consistent oil supply even during sharp turns or uneven terrain. In many modern vehicles, the sump incorporates an oil level sensor or dipstick, enabling drivers to monitor oil levels and detect potential leaks or excessive oil consumption. A low oil level can lead to insufficient lubrication, causing engine damage, making regular monitoring essential. Some advanced systems even alert the driver through dashboard indicators. Overall, the oil sump is more than just a storage container. It is a dynamic component essential for effective lubrication, cooling, and engine performance. Proper maintenance of the oil sump, including regular oil changes and inspections, ensures the engine operates smoothly and reliably over its lifespan.